Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very lovely lacy crochet stitch. It's very perfect for crochet summer clothing, where you just want something breathable, something lightweight. This would give you that kind of result, and it is reversible. When a stitch is reversible, it means that it looks the same way on the wrong side and on the right side. As you can see here, this is reversible, and it's a very easy stitch. Even if you're a beginner, this is something you're going to be able to do. If you like to learn how to use this crochet stitch to make any piece of your choice, check the description box down below and you'll find a link to my blog post where I've written about how to create original crochet pieces of your own using any crochet stitch of your choice. So just click the link in the description box below to go check out that post. Also, there's going to be a written pattern for this stitch on my blog. There will be a link in the description box down below, so check it out. To if you prefer working with written patterns, just check it out and you're going to be taken to a page where you can read the written instructions for this stitch. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel down below for more crochet content, more crochet tutorials. Don't forget, please go subscribe right now before we begin this tutorial. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's begin the tutorial. To begin this stitch, we need a multiple of 2 chains plus 1 extra chain. So I'm going to be chaining 15 for this swatch. 14 is a multiple of 2, and when I add 1, I have 15 chains. Okay, I have my 15 chains now. The first row is a row of single crochet only. I'm going to chain 1, which serves as my turning chain, then work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next chain. I'm going to work a single crochet in each chain till I get to the end of this row. If you're not familiar with working a single crochet, just check the description box where I'm going to link my single crochet tutorial. It's more detailed and it's slower, so you can really get a hang of the single crochet stitch. But now I'm just doing single crochet in each chain till I get to the end of this row. All right, I've just finished row 1, which is single crochets all through, and row 2 is also a row of single crochet. So I chain 1 and turn. This chain 1 serves as the first single crochet of this row. So I'm not going to work any single crochet in here in this first single crochet, because this chain 1 serves as the single crochet for this first stitch. I move on to the second stitch now and work a single crochet in there, then single crochet in the next, single crochet in the next. We're working a single crochet in each stitch till we get to the end of row 2. Okay, we've gotten to the end of row 2, single crochets all across. Now let's begin row 3, and we begin by chaining 4. 1 2 3 4, then turn. Now we're going to be working double crochet 2 together in these first 2 single crochets here and here. Now we go for the first double crochet in this first single crochet. So when you have 2 loops left on your hook, you don't finish your double crochet there. We're going to go into this second single crochet and start another double crochet. So what I'm going to do now, yarn over and insert my hook into this next single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I would have 3 loops left on my hook, then yarn over, pull through 3, and this is a double crochet 2 together done, which means we have worked 2 double crochets together to give us just 1 stitch. We're going to do it again together soon, but once you're done with the first double crochet 2 together, you're going to chain 2, and now we do a double crochet 2 together again in the next 2 single crochets here and here. Now to begin a double crochet 2 together, you yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch. yarn over and pull up a loop. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook as usual for a double crochet. Then you yarn over, pull through 2 loops. At this point where you have 2 loops on your hook, you're going to go in for the second double crochet. So yarn over here and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You would have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn over, pull through those 3 loops. We've just done another double crochet 2 together. Chain 2, do another double crochet 2 together in the next 2 single crochets here. So just watch me do it now. 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now that we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So this is what we're going to be repeating till we get to the end of this row. Chain 2, double crochet 2 together in the next 2 single crochets. Chain 2, double crochet 2 together in the next 2 single crochet, and I'll meet you back when I'm at the end of this row. Okay, I'm done with the last set of double crochet 2 together, as you can see. And to finish row 3, I've just finished the last set of double crochet 2 together. And to finish this row, we're going to chain 1 and work a double crochet in that chain 1 that we did in the beginning of row 2. With this, we have come to the end of row 3. This is what we have now. This is a very easy stitch because what we're going to be repeating from here is row 1 to 3. So now we're going to work 2 rows of single crochet just like row 1 and row 2. Then we work 1 row of the double crochet 2 together. Let me just show you one more repeat. Chain 1, single crochet in the first double crochet here, 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space, skip this double crochet 2 together and work 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Skip this double crochet 2 together, work 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Skip the double crochet 2 together, work 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space till you get to the end of this row. Now we're almost at the end. You're going to skip this double crochet 2 together. We're going to work the last single crochet in this chain 1 space right here. And with that, we have come to the end of row 4, which is again just a row of single crochet stitches. To begin the next row, which is row 5, chain 1 and turn. Work a single crochet in the first single crochet, single crochet in the next. Basically do a single crochet in each single crochet from the previous row. Right, we're done now. So the next row is the row of double crochet 2 together. We begin by chaining 4, which serves as double crochet chain 1. Then you turn. Now work a double crochet 2 together in the next 2 single crochets. So that is the second single crochet and the third. We're going to work a double crochet 2 together in those 2 stitches. Okay, this is 2 together done. Then chain 2, work another double crochet 2 together in the next 2 single crochets. Chain 2, double crochet 2 together in the next 2 single crochets again. So just continue doing that till you get to the end of the row. Double crochet 2 together, then chain 2. Okay, so I've just finished the last set of double crochet 2 together. To finish this row, I'm just going to work 1 double crochet in the same stitch where we worked the last double crochet. So in the same stitch, I work 1 double crochet in there. Okay, and the next row is single crochet all through. So chain 1 and turn. Work a single crochet in the first double crochet. Skip the double crochet 2 together and work 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. skip the DC2 together, work two single crochets in the chain 2 space, and we continue this till we get to the end of the row. We're skipping the double crochet 2 together and working 2 single crochets in the chain 2 spaces. Now we're almost at the end, so skip this next double crochet 2 together, work a single crochet in the chain 1 space, and work 1 last single crochet in the 3rd chain. We chained 4 at the beginning of the previous row. We're going to work our last single crochet in the 3rd chain of those 4 chains we did at the beginning of the previous row. And this is what the stitch looks like. It's really pretty. So from here, you're just going to be repeating the instructions from row 5. So repeat rows 5, 6, 7 until you get to the length that you want for your project. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a very lovely stitch. It's lacy. It is perfect for summer. This is the time to start planning your summer project. Because this is lacy, it's going to allow breeze through. So definitely use this for your crochet clothing project. You can actually also use it for a crochet bag, or if you use a stitch like this for a crochet bag, then you definitely have to line it so that your pieces are not going to be falling through the holes. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crochet tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.